Welcome to our best channel products square online product details name SPEEDWOLF 1310/1550 nm 30 to 30 dB OTDR 5.6 inch touchscreen 120 km 74.5 miles FTTH fiber optic cable tester with Visual Fault Locator VFL and SC/FCLC adapter product details 1. 5.6 inch outdoor enhanced touchscreen 7.4V/4.4 Lithium battery.Integrated 10 MW Visual Fault Locator. 2. Event dead zone as lower as 1.5 meter Muti measurement mode, support touching LCD and pressing key. 3. Combined 1310 nm plus 1550 nm testing wavelength and 32 dB plus 30 dB dynamic range. 1.3 km 120 km distance range. 4. Warning function could prevent OTDR module from being damaged by optical signal in fiber adopts friendly input interface totally simulate the computer keyboard input. 5. Real-time measuring function PC remote access and control function is available, which support the printing work of the measurement report. OTDR is a precision optical measuring instrument of rayleigh scattering and fine reflection transmission in fiber produced by laser backscatter principle is made. It is widely used in optical fiber, optical cable installation, maintenance and repair, monitoring applications. It can be used to measure the length, attenuation, quality and fault location of fiber optic cable. The light in the optical fiber transmission, due to defects in doped fiber component inhomogeneity or fiber link itself. The optical pulse propagating in fiber rayleigh scattering occurs, where a portion of the optical signal will be shot into the opposite direction along the vanes are scattered back, so it is called the Rayleigh backscattering, through the observation of Rayleigh timing after the change of scattering light signal intensity, accurate measurement of the fiber optic cable to the loss distribution, the quality of the connection properties. According to the theory of light transmission, when the light is in the